Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today we're making a crab casserole. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, we're going to start off with 2 sticks of celery. Okay, so now I'm going to run my knife over these. I don't want them too chunky. I just think this goes really good in what the dish that I'm going to make. I mean, I like yellow onion too, you know, sweet onion. You can get all kind of onions. So then I'm going to start dicing some more. Now we're going to take these and we're going to start cooking them. So let's go over to the stove. Okay, I'm adding 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of butter. That'll be good. I use that low fat butter, you know, for your healthy heart. Smart balance, but you can use any butter you want. Let's just get these in here. We're going to soften these babies up. Okay, as these start to cook, you don't want to overcook this. I'm going to add a little bit of white pepper and then a little bit of garlic powder to give a little flavor. I'm not using any, just a little bit. You know, just shake, shake, shake. And you want to stir this up. You want to make sure all that gets inside there. Okay, so now I want to pull this with that butter and everything in the pan into a bowl, and I want it to cool down a little. Okay, I'm going to take some Philadelphia cream cheese with chives. I'm going to be adding some more chives myself to them, but I'm going to take this and I'm going to open it up and I'm going to empty out this whole jar. So with the chives, I'm going to sprinkle it about another teaspoon of chives, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle in some white pepper to give it a little, you know, peppery taste. Yeah. And I'm going to mix all this up with this cream cheese, and I'm going to make sure I mix this up really good. About 2 spoons of mayonnaise. And I'm going to mix all this up together. Now I'm going to add, come on guys, my missus dead. I'm only adding a little. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in there. I didn't want any color, but you're not going to see that. Imitation crab. You can get any, and I got the flaky style kind. So you can get any kind you want. You can get the chunks. You get the flaky. I happen to like the flaky. So I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to add, this is about maybe a cup. There they are, cooling off. I'm just going to go ahead and scrape all of that with all that, the butter that I have in there and the seasoning that I put in there. I'm going to take that, scrape that in to my mixture, and I'm just going to fold all this in together, putting my chunk of crab in here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for. You know, if you have a lot of people and you want to make a great big one, just do more cream cheese, more mayonnaise. I got a triple cheese. I got shredded Vermont, white cheddar, sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar cheese. And I'm just going to take and sprinkle, and it's, you know, already, you know, you can get any type of cheese. I'm going to sprinkle a little in here, and I'm going to mix this up. All right, I'm going to start dumping this into my pan. 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, I am mixing some Vermont cheddar, some white cheddar, some sharp cheddar, and some mild cheddar. And I'm adding not even a half a cup, maybe 1/4 cup. Okay, so this is still hot, very much hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cheese and I'm going to stick it back in here so I can get this nice and bubbly. I'm going to put that cheese right over there because we just want that to melt over it. And then we're going to take about 15, not even 15 minutes, about 5 or 10 minutes for this to melt. And those, I'm going to add a little bit more chives on top of this dish. I just put it to measure these out. So this is about, you know, one of these little cups of chives here. Okay, back in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and melted. Okay, and uh-oh. I wanted to burn my board. There you go. All right, so it melted and here it is. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, come back next time. I hope you like it. Bye.